Hello everybody, welcome back to the Drunken Sailor Cocktail channel. You know me, I am Bill and I am your Drunken Sailor. This is the place where we are on a tear. We are making some of the best summer cocktails, everybody's favorites. Well, today's cocktail is an old-time classic. It comes from England back in the 1870s. This cocktail is so popular, nobody knows where the original name came from, but as a result of its popularity, they named a glass after it. So come on, grab a seat at the bar, join me as we make today's cocktail, the Tom Collins. Let's get pouring. Simple, easy build on this one. We're going to build it in a glass. Couple of really simple ingredients. Our first one in there is some freshly squeezed lemon juice, and we're going to put 1 ounce in there. My next ingredient going in there is some simple syrup, equal parts sugar and water. We're going to use 1/2 of an ounce. Coming down the home stretch, we are going to put in there next some London dry gin. Rumor has it this cocktail gave its name because it was originally used Old Tom gin, which was one of the old style London dries. And we are going to put in there 2 full ounces. Now what I want to do is ice up the glass. And I'm going to finish this off with some club soda. Going to top that off. Going to give this a quick stir to incorporate all the ingredients. And all we have left to do is garnish that. And for that one is a classic lime wheel with a maraschino cherry. And there you have the nice, refreshing, I want to say the original porch pounder of a cocktail, the Tom Collins. It's got that nice herbal background to it. It's bright and fresh because of that lime juice. That club soda gives it that effervescence. This one, on a hot summer day, you're going to be sipping all day long. If you like this cocktail, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We'll see you at the next cocktail, everyone. Cheers.